हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम दीपक कुमार, एडवोकेट हाई कोर्ट। आपको पता है कि AIB 19th का एग्ज़ाम आपका 22 दिसंबर को होने जा रहा है और आपके एडमिट कार्ड जारी कर दिए जा चुके हैं। तो अब आपके पास समय बहुत कम बचा हुआ है। आपको अपनी तैयारी के लिए अपनी एक मजबूत स्ट्रैटेजी और प्रिपरेशन प्लान बनाना होगा। इसको लेकर के आपको एक मजबूत स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ आगे बढ़ना होगा। जैसा कि मेरे द्वारा ये लगातार लास्ट 10 ईयर AIB सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस की सीरीज़ बनाई जा रही है। इसके 2 पार्ट आ चुके हैं जिसको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जिसका लिंक्स दे दिया जाएगा और इस सीरीज़ को लगभग 5 पार्ट में आने वाली है ये सीरीज़। इसके 2 पार्ट आपको कल मिल जाएँगे। ये सीरीज़ और आप डायरेक्ट कैरी करके जाते हैं एग्ज़ाम में, तो आप ये एग्ज़ाम ईज़िली क्रैक कर लेंगे क्योंकि ये क्वालिफाइंग नेचर का एग्ज़ाम है। इस वीडियो में थोड़ी-सी स्ट्रैटेजी में आपको सीक्रेट टिप्स भी बता दूँगा। तो अगर आप ये लास्ट 10 ईयर के क्वेश्चंस पेपर सॉल्व करके जाते हैं और अपने साथ एग्ज़ाम में बेरेट लेके जाते हैं, तो आपको कोई फेल नहीं कर सकता है। अपनी तैयारी को और भी पक्का करने के लिए मैंने अपने चैनल पर AIB एग्ज़ाम्स को लेकर के एक कंप्लीट स्ट्रैटेजी बनाई हुई है, उसको आप ज़रूर देखें। और ये पाँचों पार्ट आप ज़रूर लगाएँ, तो उससे आप ये एग्ज़ाम ईज़िली क्रैक कर लेंगे। तो वीडियो को डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में ये सारी चीज़ें दे दी जाएंगी। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें ताकि आपको लॉ रिलेटेड और AIB एग्ज़ाम रिलेटेड जो लेटेस्ट अपडेट है वो आपको मिलती रहे। तो ये जो सीक्रेट टिप्स है उसमें सबसे है बड़ी जो ट्रिक्स यही है, आपको टिप भी यही होगी कि लास्ट 10 ईयर के पेपर आप ज़रूर सॉल्व करके जाएँ। इससे आपको 20 से 25% क्वेश्चंस आपको रिपीटेशन में मिलेंगे। और जो मेरी नेक्स्ट वीडियो होने वाली है, वो लेटेस्ट जजमेंट को लेकर के होने वाली है। ये आपको वीडियो कल मिल जाएगी। तो बेरेट के साथ अभी अपना समय बिताएँ और हाईएस्ट वेटेज वाले बेरेट को ज़रूर देख के जाएँ। ये एग्ज़ाम में आपको बहुत हेल्पफुल होने वाली है। तो आइए हम शुरू करते हैं डायरेक्टली लास्ट 10 ईयर के क्वेश्चन जो हमने एक फर्स्ट पार्ट में सेकंड पार्ट में सॉल्व किए थे। अब हम आगे के पार्ट में 2 पेपर सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं। चलिए, ये आपका AIB 14th का जो एग्ज़ाम है जो 2019 में हुआ था। चलिए बढ़ते हैं, पहला क्वेश्चन विच वन ऑफ द, ये पहला क्वेश्चन आपका डिलीट कर दिया गया था BCI द्वारा। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, कोलेट्रल ट्रांजेक्शन टू वेजिंग आर वैलिड, ऐसा रीज़न है ओनली wagering agreement are declared void under section 30 of the Indian Contract Act. Answer is का D, both A and R are true. R is correct explanation of A. Answer है D. Third question, term holder include, option है D, all of the above. Fourth question है, under the dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act 1939, Muslim wives can seek dissolution of marriage if the husband fails to perform marital obligations. 3 year. Option B, 3 year. Fifth question, the concept of curative petition was introduced by the Supreme Court of India in case of रूपा अशोक हुर्रा वर्सेस अशोक हुर्रा। ये हिस्टोरिकल जजमेंट है दोस्तों, इसको आप याद रखें। इसको लेकर के मेरी एक नई कल पूरे जितने भी AIB एग्ज़ाम में आज तक के वीडियो आए, आज तक के जितने भी क्वेश्चंस आए होंगे हिस्टोरिकल जजमेंट केस लॉस को रिलेटेड, वो सारी केस लॉस एक ही वीडियो में आपको कल मिल जाएगी। तो आप ज़रूर देखें। सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन डिलीटेड है दोस्तों। सेवन्थ क्वेश्चन, द केस ऑफ मोहम्मद इलाहाबाद खान वर्सेस मोहम्मद इस्माइल खान इज रिलेटेड टू एक्नॉलेजमेंट ऑफ paternity. Eighth question, in which of the following cases the Supreme Court was in 2017 declared pronouncement of talaq 3 times at a time by Muslim husband as unconstitutional? Saira Bano versus Union of India. Ninth question, mesne profit of property means, option A, those profit by which the person is wrongful possession of the such property actually received or might have received therefrom together with interest on such profit. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए लीगल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, को डिलीट कर दिया गया था। 11वां क्वेश्चन, पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट लिटिगेशन इज रिलैक्सेशन ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिक्वायरमेंट्स लोकस स्टैंड। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट केस ऑफ पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट लिटिगेशन, ऑप्शन ए केशवानंद भारती वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ केरला। 13वां क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन बी डन बाय द सीनियर एडवोकेट इन अकॉर्डेंस विद द रूल ऑफ बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया? ऑप्शन ए, मेक कंसेंसस ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ क्लाइंट ऑन instruction from junior advocate. 14th question, which one of the following is true about Latin maximum ubi just levi remedium? Option A, where there is a right there is a remedy. The Latin word injuria siminem literally means infringement of legal right without damages. Option A. 16th question, the provision related to claim tribunal is given under section 165 to 175. Option A. Rule of law means answer D, all of the above. 18. The purpose of writ of quo warranto is to what's illegal occupant of a public post. Option C. Writ of certiorari can be issued against the judicial or quasi-judicial body. Option A. Supreme Court of the India held that it is a permanent obligation of every member of medical profession, either government or private, to give medical aid to every injured person brought for treatment immediately without waiting for procedural formalities in case of option सी परमानंद कतरा वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया। 21st क्वेश्चन डिलीट कर दिया गया था। 22 वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट ट्रू, विच वन इज दैट? ऑप्शन सी, ए कन्फेशन by a person in the custody of police officer to any person in the presence of magistrate can be proved. Option C. 23rd question, the Kashmira Singh versus state of MP is a leading case in confession of a co-accused. 24th question, which of the following act is not relevant in civil and criminal case under section 8 of the Indian Evidence Act? Option B, attempt. 25th question, Patna stand for best alternative to negotiated agreement. Option B. 26th question, section 9 of the Arbitration and Cancellation Act 1926 deal with the A, interim measures by the court. A. 27, for the first time in India, income tax introduced by Sir James Wilson in the year of 1860. 28 क्वेश्चन डिलीट कर दिया गया। 29 क्वेश्चन डिलीट कर दिया गया था। 30 क्वेश्चन, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्शन ऑफ द CRPC डील्स विद irregularities which vetted proceeding? Section 461. Option B, which of the following is not essential element of decree? Option C, an adjudication from which an appeal lies as an appeal from an order. Option C. 32. Which of the following is not duty of the advocate to court to not commit breach of section 126 of Evidence Act? Option A. Which of the following rules of the chapters 2 of part 6 of the Bar Council rule deals with the duty of the advocate respecting the money received by him from client? Rule 25. Option A. 34. Under which of the following section CRPC provision related to police report is given? Option A, 173 2. 35th question, which of one of the following provision of CRPC deals with the anticipatory bail? Section 438. Section B. Option B. 36. The provision related to cancellation of bond and bail bond is given under section 446A. Option A. The provision related to dowry is given under section 304B of IPC. 38. Which of the following section is designated to curb infanticide? Section 315 of IPC. Option D. Which order has been specially enacted to protect the interest minors and unsound mind? Order 32. Option B. Which order of the CPC lay down under general rules governing pleading in a court? Option A, order 6. चलिए deleted है। 42वां क्वेश्चन, which of the following is infringement of registered trademark? Option D, all of the above. 43rd, a person undergoing life imprisonment if attempt to commit murder and hurt is caused thereby he may be punished with all of the above. लाइफ imprisonment, death सभी हो सकती हैं दोस्तों। 44th question, residuary power in India may be exercised by the parliament. Only parliament. Option A. 45th question, the punishment to which offender are liable under provision of IPC? A or option D, all of the above. Of 46th question, M. Nagatan rules from the basis of law. Option B, insanity. 47, the authentication to be effected by the use of asymmetric crypto system and hash function is known as? Option C, digital signature. 48, punishment of cyber terrorism under Section 66F shall be punishable. Option C, with imprisonment, which may extend to imprisonment for life. Option C. 49, Section 2, Industrial Dispute Act 1947 define industry means. Option D, all of the above. Which of the following provision of the Hindu Marriage Act 1950 incorporate fault theory of divorce? ऑप्शन ए और डी इसका दोनों सही है दोस्तों, ध्यान रखें आप. अंडर द हिंदू मेंटेनेंस एंड अडॉप्शन एक्ट 1953 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सर्कमस्टांसेस कैन बी डिपेंडेंट इनफोर्स हिज right to maintenance against a transferee of an estate out which he has right to receive maintenance. Option C, both A and B. Which of the following courts tribunal can entertain a public interest litigation? Option C, CAT. 53, a policeman with a firm as outlet a building and tells Jed and they will fire at Jed if Jed attempt to leave the building. A. Option C, both A and B. 54th question, A incite a dog to spring upon Jed without Jed's consent if a intent to cause injury, fear or annoyance to Jed. Option answer है option C. A uses criminal force to Jed. 55th question, a cause cattle to enter upon field belonging to Jed intended to cause and knowing that he is likely to cause damage Jed crop A has committed. Answer है A, mischief. 56, from which of the following countries the Constitution of India has borrowed the power of judicial review? USA. Option C, USA. Enforcement of which of the following article of the Constitution of India cannot be suspended even during the proclamation of emergency? Option B, 20 or 21. 58, which of the following provision of the Advocate Act 1961 provide for the power Council of India to withdraw to itself any proceeding for the disciplinary action pending before the any state bar council? Option C, section 36. 59, which court or authorities has been power to punish any person for contempt of the National Company Law Tribunal? Option D, National Company Law Tribunal. 60 question, which of the following is not vested interest? Option C, is stipulated that the title in property shall pass to C if he marries B. Option C. 61, which of the following is wrong in respect of law of the copyright? Option C, there is no copyright in the government work. 62, under the Indian Evidence Act the character of the person is not relevant in the which of the following case? Option C, character to prove conduct imputed in civil cases. Option C. 63, which one of the following is primary evidence? Option A, document produced for inspection of the court. 64, the Consumer Protection Act 1986 comes into the 15th April 1986. Option B, which one of the following section of the Consumer Protection Act 1986? Option D, the principle of the law tax section, no tax shall be levied and collected except by authority of by law. It is contained under option A, Article 265 of the Constitution. 67, under which of the section of the income tax other person are included in the SSC at a total income? Option D, section 60 to 65. Under which of the following article of the Indian Constitution Parliament is empowered to legislate with respect to a matter in the state list in the national interest? Option A, 249. In which of the following case the court has laid down the right to life does not include right to die? Option B, Srimati Gyan Kaur and the state of Punjab. The 70, the question of whether a bill is money on bill is or not decided by the option D, the speaker Lok Sabha. Option D. 71, the decision under 10th schedule is taken by the option D, presiding officer of houses. 72, in which of the following cases the Supreme Court held that the international commercial arbitration is one of the which is the judicial or legal seat of arbitration outside India? Option A, भाटिया इंटरनेशनल वर्सेस बक ट्रेडिंग. ऑप्शन बी. ये हिस्टोरिकल जजमेंट दोस्तों आपको पूरे कंप्लीट एक साथ एक वीडियो में मिल जाएंगे, ये कल आपको वीडियो मिल जाएगी. फिर 73, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोविजन ऑफ द हिंदू सक्सेशन एक्ट 1956 लेज डाउन फॉर द स्टेट? Option D, section 29. Which one of the foreign award? Option B, an award passed in a foreign seat arbitration. Option B. 75, if a man marries a girl who is within his prohibited relation with and his custom does not permit such marriage, such a man would be punished under Section 18B of the Hindu Marriage Act, option C. Which section of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 provide that the child from a void marriage would be legitimate? Section 16, option D. 77. Under which one of the following section of CRPC police officer is under obligation to inform the accused ground of right to bail? Option B, section 50. Under what circumstances court can issue an order for the attachment of the property of a person absconding? Option D, all of the above. 79. Inherent power under section 482 of the CRPC can be exercised by the High Court. Option C, High Court. 80. It is proved that a man has not been heard of or by those who would naturally have heard of him if he were alive. The presumption under section 108 of Indian Evidence Act, that is, he is dead. ऑप्शन बी 7 ईयर। देखिए जो सेक्शन वाले क्वेश्चन है दोस्तों, आपको डायरेक्टली अगर नहीं पता है तो आप सीधे उस बेयर एक्ट के सेक्शन में जाइए और सेक्शन को खोलिए, उसमें आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन में आपको कीवर्ड पकड़ने होंगे। अगर आप कीवर्ड पकड़ लेते हैं तो यू कैन सॉल्व इजली क्वेश्चंस। 81. A dumb witness given his evidence in writing in the open court, such evidence would be treated as a oral evidence. 82. Deleted question. 83. The Land Acquisition Act 1894 comes into force of first day of March 1894. Option C. 84. Which of the following sentences can be code of the session pass? Option D. Any sentence authorized by the law but death sentence must be confirmed by the High Court. Option D. Which of the following is not a requirement for a foreign judgment to be conclusive? Option D. It is by a court in any enemy court. Ensuring the safety, health, welfare of the employee is the primary purpose of the option C Factory Act 1948. 87th. In which case Supreme Court held that whether teachers are not workmen? Option D Sundaram Bal versus Government of Goa. Option D. 88. Under section 2cc of Indian Dispute Act 1947, closure means a permanent closing down of place of employment or part therefore. Option A. A reference can be made during the pendency of the case. Option A. Subordinate court refer the case to the High Court for the letter opinion on the question of law. Option 90 question. A person can apply for review of judgment when? Option D, all of the above. In which of the following case the remedy of the revision is not available? Option D, all of the above. Effect of a non-negotiable crossing in is mentioned under section 130. Option B, section 16 of the negotiable instrument. ऑप्शन सी इंडोर्समेंट इन फुल एंड इंडोर्समेंट इन द ब्लैंक। देखिए डायरेक्टली इस सेक्शन से क्वेश्चन आ रहा है, ये देखिए आप डायरेक्टली सेक्शन क्वेश्चन, अगर आप उस नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट की किताब उठाएंगे, बेरेक्ट उठाएंगे, आपको डायरेक्टली उस सेक्शन में जाना है, आपको आराम से वो सारा आंसर मिल जाएगा। 94th क्वेश्चन, द लायबिलिटी अंडर सेक्शन 138 ऑफ नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट एक्ट 1881 इज? ऑप्शन ए स्ट्रिक्ट लायबिलिटी। देखिए जिसमें डायरेक्टली सेक्शन 138 के बारे में बताया है, तो आप जाकर सीधे डायरेक्टली ढूंढ सकते हैं। वैसे भी AIB का एग्ज़ाम क्वालिफाइंग नेचर का एग्ज़ाम है, नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग है, ये आपके लिए बहुत ही आसान एग्ज़ाम है, लेकिन इसे लाइटली मत लीजिए। द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द लैंड एक्विजिशन एक्ट 1894 आर? ऑप्शन डी, एन एक्ट टू अमेंड द लॉ फॉर द एक्विजिशन ऑफ लैंड फॉर पब्लिक पर्पज एंड फॉर कंपनीज। 96. अंडर विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्शन ऑफ CRPC पुलिस ऑफिसर कैन अरेस्ट एन एक्यूज्ड विदाउट वारंट? सेक्शन 41. ऑप्शन बी। Which one of the following code under criminal procedure code 1973 can be tried to murder case? Option C code of session. It deals with the internal management and affair of company. Option B article of association. Public liability insurance act was enacted in? Option A 1991. Last question, environment impact assessment is mandatory under Environment Protection Act. This is all about the question. अब ये पेपर AIB का आपका ख़त्म होता है, अब 2019 का। अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम ऑल इंडिया बार एग्जामिनेशन 2018 के एग्ज़ाम की तरफ, जो आपको AIB 13th एग्ज़ाम था, जो आपका 18 में हुआ था। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है दोस्तों, रिस्ट्रिक्शन में नॉट बी इम्पोज्ड और on freedom provided under Article 19, Clause 1, Option C, sedition. Second right guaranteed to citizens only is Option C, Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause A. Third question है, President can be removed on the ground of violation of Constitution. Option C. Fourth question, the designation of a senior advocate is provided under the section 16 Advocate Act 1961. देखिए एडवोकेट एक्ट 1961 भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट दोस्तों, वहाँ से भी 4-5 क्वेश्चंस आपको आ जाएंगे, तो उसको भी आपको लेके जाना है, वहाँ से आप आराम से 4-5 क्वेश्चन पूछ कर लेंगे क्योंकि डायरेक्टली सेक्शन से क्वेश्चंस वहाँ से आते हैं. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, राइट टू प्री ऑडियंस इज provided by the option B, section 23 of the Advocate Act 1961. The contempt of court belong to none of these. Option D, none of these. Who was the Chief Justice of India when the concept of PIL was introduced to Indian judicial system? Option D, P.N. Bhagwati. The Supreme Court of India issued a number of directions for the prevention of the women in the various form of prostitution and rehabilitation their children through various welfare measures and so as to provide them with dignity of person, means of livelihood and socio-economic development in the case of Gaurav Jain versus Union of India. ये हिस्टोरिकल केस लॉ है दोस्तों, इसको ध्यान में रखें. नाइन्थ क्वेश्चन, हिडियस इज वन ऑफ द सोर्स ऑफ मुस्लिम लॉ, इट कंप्राइज. ऑप्शन बी, वर्ड एंड एक्शन ऑफ द prophet. Question 10, intellectual property appellant board is established under which act? Option C, the Trademark Act 1999. What is the maximum duration within which fast track arbitration must be completed? Option A, 6 months. Which one of the following section deals with form of summons? Section 61. Option B, under CRPC provision related to prosecution of judge is provided under section 197. Option B. Next question, a reside at Hyderabad, B at Kolkata, and C at Delhi. A, B, C bear together at Allahabad. B and C make joint promissory note payable on demand and deliver to A. A may issue B and C. Option D, all of the above. Next question, section 25, empowered to Supreme Court to transfer any suit, appeal or other proceeding. Option C, both and A and B. Next question, in which of the following case can C set of the claim? Option B. 17th question, the Latin words res ipsa lectura means A, things speak its story itself. Option A. 18th question, in which of the following case the principle of common employment was involved for the first time? Option B. Presley versus Fowler. 19th question, disciplinary committee bar council is confer the power of the civil code under code of civil procedure code 1908 section 42 of the Indian Advocate Act 1961. Option B. 20th question, which one of the following is leading case on injurious syndemel? Asby versus White. Option B. Which one of the leading case on strict liability? Rylance versus Fletcher. Option B. Section 6 Chachat A was invalidated by the Supreme Court of India. Sriya Singhal versus Union of India. That is very important and historical case. 23rd, environmental impact assessment is mandatory under the Environment Protection Act. D. Option D. 24, when two or more person by fighting in a public place disturb the public and the public peace, they are said to commit an affray. Option B. Promotion of a class hurted in given under section 153A of IPC. Section 153A of the IPC. Option A. The distinction between section 299 300 was made clear by Milvi in ऑप्शन बी, रग वर्सेस गोविंदा. ये हिस्टोरिकल जजमेंट है दोस्तों, इसको लेकर के कल वीडियो आपको मिलने वाली है, आप उसको जरूर देखें. 27, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट फेडरल फीचर ऑफ एनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? ऑप्शन डी, सिंगल सिटीजन. पार्लियामेंट इन exercise of its power to amend under article 368 may not amend. Option D, basic structure. Which article start with subject to public order, morality and health? Option D, article 25. Section 19 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 provide for the maintenance of widowed daughter-in-law. Option D. Option C, section 30 of the Hindu Succession Act 1956 deals with The testamentary succession. Option B, which one of the following sections CRPC deals with the examination of person accused of a rape by medical practitioner? Section 53A. Option C, according to section 167 of the CRPC, an accused person can be remanded to police custody for not more than 15 days at one time. Option C, which of the following is essential for valid adoption under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955? Option D, none of the above. Hindu male can adopt a female child if it is the difference of age between the two is or more than. Option D, 21 year. Which of the following relation is not dependent under section 21 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956? Option D, daughter. A communication made to the spouse during marriage under section 122 of the Indian Evidence Act. Option A, that remains privileged even after dissolution of marriage. 38. Which section of the Indian Evidence Act provide that the accomplice is a competent witness? Option C, section 133. Which is the subject matter of neighboring right protection? Option A, performance. 40. Adam Smith has enumerated canons in taxation which are accepted universally. They are: option D, equality, certainty, convenience, and economy. Option D, for the first time in India, income tax law was introduced by Sir James Wilson in the year 1860. Next question, which one of the following sections CRPC deals with the compoundable offense? Section 320. Option B, what is the time limit under section 468 of CRPC taking cognizance? Option 3, option C, 3 year. And still establishment means? Option B, 1 to 3. Strike should be called only if at least 15% of workers in the support of strike. Option B. 46. Industrial relation cover the following. Option C, 1 to 3. 47. The term suit of the civil nature refer to the option A. 48. The rule of res sub judica employs option A, where the same subject matter is pending is a court of law for adjudication between the same party, or the same or the other court is barred to entertain the case so long as the first suit goes on. 49. A suit brought by a person to recover possession from the stranger of a property, claiming it as hire of deceased Mahant. The suit is dismissed on his failure to produce the succession certificate. A second suit was filed by him as manager of the math. The second suit will not be barred by res judicata. Option B, which among the following is not a ADR method under section 189 of CPC 1908? Mini trial. 51. What is the maximum number of cancellation allowed in the cancellation proceeding? None of the above. Option D. What is the status of a settlement agreement in cancellation proceeding? Option B. 53. Under section 1118 of the Indian Evidence Act, person is competent witness is he or she. Option D. It is capable of understanding question put to him, giving rational answer irrespective of the age. 54th question, which of the following judgment is irrelevant under section 443 of Indian Evidence Act? Option B, judgment of the criminal code. Option B, under which section of the Indian Evidence Act witness has been given right to reverse his memory? Section 159. Mandamus may be issued High Court, District Court, both A and B. Option D. The provision of administrative tribunal is added by 42 amendment. Option A. The provision related to free legal aid is given under section 304. Under which of the following provision of CRPC, police officer is under the obligation to produce the person arrested before the magistrate within the 24 hour of the arrest? Section 57 कहता है इसके बारे में. Option B, who may record confessionary statement under section 164 of the CRPC, judicial officer. Option B. 61. The provision related to plea bargaining is not applicable in the following offences. Option C, both A and B. When two or more persons agree to an illegal or act and which is not illegal. By illegal means such an agreement is designated as a criminal conspiracy. Option C. The, the provisions regarding sedition are given under section 124 of IPC. Option B. Suit may be dismissed under order 9. Option D, the ex officio chairperson of Council of the State. Of C, Vice President. Such right to property in India is constitutional right. Which of the following right means to produce to body of a person? Habeas corpus. Delegated legislation was declared constitution in the Delhi Laws Act case. Option B, a prospectus which does not include complete particular of the quantum price of the securities included there in the known as red herring prospectus. Option C, when there is no profit in 1 year, profit of a company is not enough to pay the fixed dividend on preference shares. The areas of the dividend are be carried forward and paid before the dividend is paid on the ordinary share. This is called cumulative preference share. Option B, industrial dispute means any dispute difference between. Option D, who among the following cannot transfer in immovable property? Muslim widow. Option B, the doctrine of Lispindas was explained in the leading case of the Velma versus Sabina. Option A, X strike. A is B, the provocation excited to violent range. Y is abstander intended to take advantage of A ray and cause him kill. X, give a revolver into a hand for the purpose. A kills X with the revolver. Option A is liable for committing murder and Y is liable to abetting murder. 75. Right to free legal aid was recognized as a fundamental right under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution in case of M.H. Hostet versus State of Maharashtra. Option B. 76. In which of the country was the concept of PIL originated? United States of America. Option B. A question suggested the answer. Which of the person putting invoices or expend to receive is called? Option B. Leading questions. 78. Option of poverty is a ground of divorce under Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Option B, only wife. Which section of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 provide that the child from the void marriage would be legitimate? Option D, section 16. Which of the following appears to contribute to global cooling rather than? Option B, aerosols. 81 question, A and B agree to fence with each other for amusement. This agreement implies that the consent of each to suffer any harm which is course of fencing may be caused without foul play, and if the while playing fairly heard by B committed no offence. The provision is given under section 87. Section 87, the provision of the right to defense are ऑप्शन सी 96 से 106 तक इंडियन पीनल कोड में राइट टू डिफेंस दिया हुआ है. द पार्टीज विच कैन नॉट बी कंपील्ड टू perform specific performance of the contract are provided in which section of the Specific Relief Act? Option B 28. What kind of property is transferable? Option D 85. Which of the following does not come under the immovable property as per TPA Act? Sales of a selling fan. Option A, State of UP versus Nawab Hussain 1977. Answer is C, constructive res judicata. 87. X is living in the Pune. Why his brother in Mumbai? X want to file a suit for partition of their joint property situated in Delhi or Bangalore. Option C. 88. A movable property had a Y situated at Bhopal and the wrong does personally works for the gain at Indore. A suit to obtain compensation for wrong to the property may be instituted. Option C, either at Bhopal or at Indore. Under which section of Income Tax Act 1961 income of the other person include assessed total income? Option B 60 to 65. Next question, a period of 12th month commencing on the first day of April of every year is known as assessment year. 91. Which section of the Informant IT Amendment 2008 deals with the validity of contract formed through electronic means? Section 10A. Option B, joint sitting both houses parliamentary will be called by the president, only the president. Option C, specific relief where the agreement is made with minors, fill in the blanks, cannot be given. Option B, a person entitled to the possession of the specific immovable property may recover in the manner provided by the A. Option A. 95. Section 39 of Specific Relief Act. Option D. None of the above. 96. A dumb witness gives his evidence in writing in the upon court Open quote, such evidence would be treated as oral evidence. Option A, under the Indian Evidence Act, which of the following is not a court? Option D, arbitrators. Which of the following section of Motor Vehicle Act 1988 defines the terms owner? Section 2, subsection 30. Under Land Acquisition Act 1894, an industrial concern ordinary employee not less than workman owned by the individual or by the association of individual or not being in a company desiring to acquire land for the erective dwelling houses for a workman employed by the concern or for the provision of the amenities directly connected therewith shall, so far as concerned the acquisition of such land, be deemed to be a company for the purpose of this part, and the reference to company in section 4, 5, 6, 7, 50 shall be interpreted as such as reference also to such concern. Fill in the blanks. Option A 100. Last question. Under Land Acquisition Act 1894, the expression company means a company is defined in section 3 of the Companies Act 1956 other than the government company referred to in clause C. तो ये रहा दोस्तों आपका 2 साल का पेपर है, इसको आप ज़रूर लगाएं। इसमें से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आपको रिपीटेडली मिल जाएंगे आपके 22 तारीख के एग्ज़ाम में। तो इस तरह के नए 2 वीडियो आपको और मिलने वाले हैं, उनको ये 5 वीडियो आप ज़रूर देखिए। इसमें मैक्सिमम 10 साल के पेपर सॉल्व किए गए हैं। और आपको एक दूसरा वीडियो मिलने वाला है कल, जो हिस्टोरिकल जजमेंट को के रिगार्डिंग होगा। एक कंप्लीट वीडियो होगा जिसमें आपको सारे के सारे जजमेंट मिल जाएंगे, वहाँ से आपके 4-5 क्वेश्चन ज़रूर आएंगे। तो ये रहा आपका वीडियो। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो आप प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। सो थैंक यू।